Habaikiran begilat pathai kubor sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ba Presiden Tonsong ulong ba Sarkar Jela kan session rai lanu ban penlong iki election MDC Shagagaru Hills Autonomous District Council. Hadian bala pendap gikam jaga jeng ben bet thamai ik MDC constituency. Bat bala debru ban penmi ya ke jeng pen mena bat bala thong ya ke delimitation committee kumta ke ka kamram jaga ke committee ban pendap ke kam bala ben shat haka ban penbet iki constituency. Uba Presiden Tonsong ulong ba hadian bala dep ke benta yang dorbar kan sapa ulat ke jela ban ajing menjur. Batang hadian bal ajing menjur ulat ke jela ba ansala ban pentip lanu an penlong yak election syaka GHADC. Halo kejeng keli lak sarkar kan ab ban lekshwa yak Special Intensive Revision SIR ban penbet temai ki kerteng hak electoral roll. Usumut Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bakane kam dadai ke kam ke badan kam yang mentah. Namar bak SIR kam hap apa kejeng kemi jaka sarkar jela ndrai kedai balik daga election commission keri.
I think recently notification has come out where the delimitation committee was set up, and it is the duty of this committee to complete the task of conducting the delimitation process. And once that is done, then the House will pass it and send to the Honorable Governor for approval. Once that is done, then only we'll be able to tell you when are we going to have the election.
Uba Presiden Tonsong belong Presiden keseng NPP Meghalaya ulong ba keseng katsa penyeng kertong banikon ik election shteng samoy na kebentak election MP sa Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ulong ba ke NPP kelarai ban penyeng kertong na kebentakan ik election. Ndai umsum na tre banitu mano banyakon na ke NPP berulong ba keseng katsa betip yano karai ban penyeng. Ndai kumbagalong mentahi ke NPP kadan bungut ki kertong ki babiang. Ndai election committee kan sesya mekarai ke bakat dua. Hagabedai bagi jingjiat ukurtong na kebentaga Raja Sabha upa Presiden Tonsong luang bagi NPP kampat di opdeng ya kanu kanu kejing terba. Na kedang ap ya kejing pendapat ba kaban sepenmi di election commission mat ke office terekam jong speaker dan chairman ke Raja Sabha.
From the party side, we have decided to field the candidate to this by-election to the Lok Sabha from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. We will let you know. We will let you know. Time will come. The appropriate time will come.
How many are vying for?
We have quite a number. Yeah, we have quite a number of them. But let the election committee decide on this.